Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is teacher Rania. Our lesson today is grammar, and inshallah we will take a new lesson. This lesson will talk about negative in past tense. As we studied before, we have studied many things about past tense. We studied that we have two kinds of verbs in past tense, the regular one and the irregular one. The regular one, it means to add the ed at the end of some verbs, and the irregular one or the irregular verbs, that we will not add ed at the end of the verb, but we will change the word, or maybe we'll change some letters, or we will change all the word to make it in the past tense. And we studied also many verbs in irregular part. I think the last month all of the students, alhamdulillah, answered that question correctly, and all of them started to differentiate between the irregular and regular verbs in past tense. Today we will learn a new thing. We will learn negative in past tense. What is the meaning of negative? Negative means not. It means to add not to the sentence. Negative means to add not to the sentence. Let's see how can I change a sentence into negative form. Okay, so here we have to start with regular verbs. It means the verbs that have ed at the end. Then we will move to the irregular one. Let's see the first sentence. Sarah baked a cake yesterday. Sarah baked a cake yesterday. Look here at the verb baked. There is ed at the end, so I circle it because I want to circle the verb in the sentence. Okay, so here I circle the verb. Then here in the next sentence, I will change the sentence into negative. To change the sentence into negative in the past tense, you have to do two steps. The first step is to add didn't after the name directly. Okay? So first you will write the name or the subject of the sentence, then write the word didn't. So here I number it up. Number 1, it means this is step number 1. Then here, look here, what did I do? Here I write the word or the verb bake without ed. Why? Because didn't here is very strong. And if didn't comes to the sentence, no addition will stay with the verbs. Again, didn't here is very strong. If ed sees that didn't come to the sentence, it runs away from the sentence. So here, first step is to add didn't after the subject, then remove the ed from the verb. So here, Sarah didn't bake a cake yesterday. Again, look here. Sarah baked the cake yesterday. Sarah didn't bake a cake yesterday. So here I cannot put ed here because I cannot put two verbs in past tense in one sentence. Okay? So here I put didn't after the subject, then next step I put bake without ed, then complete the sentence. Let's move to another example. Tom washed his car last week. Tom washed his car last week. Look here. The verb washed has ed. It means it is in the past. the teacher asked me to change this sentence into negative form. So here she said I should follow follow two steps. Number one, after I wrote the subject, I will write didn't, then I will write the verb without ed. Without ed. So here, look here, Tom washed his car. Tom didn't wash his car last week. Again, Tom washed his car last week. Here, Tom didn't wash his car last week. Okay, this is for the regular verbs. So here I should put didn't after the subject, then write the verb without ed. So here let's move to irregular verbs. Look at this example. I went to the park last Friday. I went to the park last Friday. Here, if I want to change this sentence into negative form, I will do the next. Here, I didn't, the same like regular, but here went, there is no ed in it. So what should I do? I will write the present form. I will write the present form. So here, number one, to write didn't, then write go. Okay? I didn't go to the park last Friday. Why I cannot write went here? Because didn't and went are in the past tense. So I cannot put two verbs in the past tense in the same sentence or after each other. It will be a very big mistake. I cannot say I didn't went to the park last Friday. No, it's a very big mistake. So here, I didn't. So here, didn't is very strong, and this verb, like the verbs in their first form without any addition or any change. So here went says, I will not go to this sentence because there is didn't. So I will send my brother or my sister go to this sentence. Here, I didn't go to the park yesterday or last Friday. Let's see the example number 2. She saw a bird on the tree. She saw a bird on the tree. Here is the verb saw. How can I change this sentence into negative form? I will write she the same, then write didn't. This is step number 1. Then here the verb. What should I do with the verb? Tell me. Yes, I will not write so because didn't in past and so in past. I cannot put two pasts in the sentence. So here I will change so to see. Then I will complete the sentence. She didn't see a bird on the tree. Again, she saw a bird on the tree. She didn't see a bird on the tree. Okay, so after didn't, the verb should be in a present form or in the first form of the verb without additions or without any change. Okay, so here the summary of this lesson. There are 2 steps to follow when you want to change any sentence in the past tense into negative form. First of all, you should write the subject the same, then write the word didn't, then write the word or the verb without ed in regular verbs, and to change the past tense in irregular verbs to first form or in the present form after didn't. Okay, So this is the lesson today. I hope all of you will understand it. Any questions, please send me quickly, and the homework will be page 80 in the booklet. Page 80 in the booklet. Thank you so much and see you soon.